Mr. Read More reading teacher reporting for duty. Get your thinking cap ready. Today we're going to be learning about the k sound. Did you know that the k sound can be spelled in different ways? Carmen Cookie belongs to the letter C and says k. Kyle Kangaroo belongs to the letter K and says k. Did you know that when Carmen Cookie and Kyle Kangaroo come together, they say k too? When the letters C and K are stuck together at the end of a word, they say k. Can you say that with me? K. Great! You'll always see the letters CK at the end of one-syllable words that have short vowels. Let's look at the word sock. Sock is a one-syllable word that has a short vowel O. The letters CK are on the end and say k. Let's sound out the word sock. S-A-K. Sock. Super. Let's take a look at this word. It's a one-syllable word with a short vowel U. Do you see the letter CK on the end? Do you remember what sound CK makes? K. Exactly. Let's sound this word out. L-A-K. Luck. Wonderful. Let's practice putting some short vowels with the letter CK. Hey, Carmen Cookie, Kyle Kangaroo, why don't you come help us out here? Here's the short vowel A and the letters CK. All together now. Ack. 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 Now, let's add the letter B to the beginning. B-ack. Back. We made the word back. Wonderful. Here's the short vowel I and the letters CK. All together now. Ick. 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 Now, let's add the letter L. L-ick. Lick. We made the word lick. Wonderful. Here's the short vowel O. Ah. 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 And the letters CK. K. 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 All together now. Ock. 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 Now, let's add the letter D. D-a-k. Dock. We made the word dock. Excellent. Here's the short vowel U. Ah. And the letters CK. K. 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 All together now. Uck. 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 Now, let's add the letter D. D-a-k. Duck. We made the word duck. Wonderful. Let's practice what we've learned today. Here's a picture of a sock. Sock begins with the letter S. But how does the word sock end? Here are our choices. Ick, ock, ack, uck. What sounds do you hear in the word sock? S-a-k. I hear a short vowel O and the k sound. So, what should we choose? Ock. That's right. Here's a picture of a duck. What sounds do you hear in the word duck? D-a-k. I hear a short vowel U and the k sound. So, what should we choose? Uck. Wonderful. Here's a picture of a tack. What sounds do you hear in the word tack? T-a-k. I hear a short vowel A and the k sound. So we should choose ack. Great. Remember, when a word ends with the k sound, it's written with the letters C and K side by side. Splendid work today, my dear student. I can really tell you've worked hard. I'll see you again very soon. This is Mr. Read More, reading teacher, signing off.